Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are going to discuss the critical aspect of audit report distribution as outlined in clause 6.5.2 of ISO 19011, the international standard for auditing management systems. Proper distribution of audit reports is essential for ensuring transparency, accountability and effectiveness in the audit process. Let's explore. Clause 6.5.2 of ISO 19011 specifies requirements related to the distribution of audit reports. This clause outlines the stakeholders who should receive the audit report, the content to be included, and the timing of distribution. Adhering to these requirements helps ensure that audit findings are communicated effectively and that appropriate actions are taken in response. Key elements of audit report distribution. Stakeholders. ISO 19011 emphasizes the importance of identifying and engaging relevant stakeholders in the audit process. These stakeholders may include top management, process owners, audit team members, employees, regulatory authorities, customers, and other interested parties. The audit report should be distributed to stakeholders who have a vested interest in the audit findings and outcomes. Content. The audit report should contain comprehensive information about the audit process, including the audit scope, objectives criteria, methodology, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. The report should present audit findings objectively, supported by evidence and classified based on their significance and impact. Clear and concise language should be used to facilitate understanding by all stakeholders. Timing. According to ISO 19011, audit reports should be distributed in a timely manner following the completion of the audit. The exact timing may vary depending on the organization's policies, the complexity of the audit, and the urgency of the findings. However, it's essential to distribute the report promptly to enable stakeholders to take timely corrective actions and drive improvement. Benefits of proper audit report distribution. Proper distribution of audit reports offers several benefits: enhancing transparency and accountability in the audit process, facilitating informed decision-making by stakeholders, prompting timely corrective actions to address identified non-conformities, driving continual improvement and organizational effectiveness, building trust and confidence in the audit process and outcomes. In conclusion, adhering to the requirements of clause 6.5.2 of ISO 19011 ensures that audit reports are distributed effectively to relevant stakeholders, enabling informed decision-making and driving continual improvement. By following these guidelines, organizations can enhance transparency, accountability, and effectiveness in managing their management systems. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.